Hello foodies, welcome to Lucky Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Spanish omelette. It's a very easy recipe. Just all you need only potatoes, onions, eggs, salt and pepper, just oil, non-stick pan. Please do try. Trust me, the taste is very nice. And now take the onions, cut into 1 by 2, and then uh, whenever you slice the onion, just put the two fingers back and one finger front. The front finger will guide you the knife how to slice onions thinly. Look at this. See, look at this. See, like this. Yes. Look at this again. And take the pan. Add oil. Actually, we have to use olive oil, but now I am using regular oil. And the onion straight into the hot pan. Like this. And now cut the potatoes 1 by 2, again 1 by 2, and cut it into thin slices. If you cut thin slices, it's cooked easily and faster. Whenever you toss the anything, we have to push and pull, push and pull, push and pull. That's the way we are doing tossing. Now add the potatoes in the pan, and we have to caramelize the onions and potatoes nicely. Just push and pull, push and pull, push and pull, push and pull, push and pull. That's it. Mix it nicely. Cook it in a high flame for 15 minutes for the caramelization of onions and potatoes. Now it start caramelizing nicely. Take a bowl, break the eggs. I'm taking 5 eggs for this omelette. Add salt and pepper. Whisk it nicely. Now it's done. The caramelization is done. Now add the mixture into the eggs, the beaten eggs, and mix it nicely. Take the same pan, add the oil, very little, then pour the mixture in the pan. Spread it nicely everywhere and cook for each side for 2 minutes. And we have to flip the omelette. Just take plate and flip the omelette into the plate and put it back the pan. Look, the omelette is cooked nicely one side. Now we have to cook other side. Just push the omelette at the end of the pan and just pull the plate. That's it. Oh, it looks nicely. It's cooked both sides nicely. The smell is amazing. Just cut the omelette. It's done. Look at the thickness of the omelette. The potatoes, onions. It's nice. It's done.